We're helping our mother in the kitchen, making her life easier. Helping our mother in the kitchen, helping to feed her. She sees dinner's done, checking how good she'll feel. She can sit down and rest, and watch her serve the meal. To make some gingerbread, with some beef and tunas on the flower bed. Oh yeah, tell everyone, cooking food is so much fun. No brown sugar, but it won't hurt to take a lot of light and mix in dirt. Oh yeah, tell everyone, cooking food is so much fun. Tomatoes and yummy, we put them forward in the oven, please. We're helping our mother in the kitchen, making her life easier. Helping our mother, happy to feeding her.
Oh no, there's ground beef smeared on the kitchen floor. Potatoes pushed on the walls and the door. Tomatoes squished on my brand new clothes. And hamburgers stuck in between my toes. The gingerbread's nothing but a baked mud brick with sizzled petunias from the pants we picked. The soda pop popped, what a mess it is! Now the oven's covered in a sticky